Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I show you how to be a better Linux administrator. This video will show you how to quickly set up SSH keys for authentication. The 3 minimum steps are creating your key pair, transferring your public key to the remote host, testing using your private key. Step 1. To generate your key pair, type the command ssh-keygen. This tells you it's generating our public-private key pair, and it's first asking us where we want to store our private key, and we'll choose the default location. As a best practice, we'll enter a passphrase and confirm it. Your private key is also called your identification, and your public key ends in a .pub extension. Step number 2 is, we now copy our public key to the remote server. This is done with the command ssh-copy-id. We specify the public key with the -i option. Then we specify username at host. This is my first time connecting, so I'll pick yes. And now it's going to ask me for the password for that remote user. And assuming all goes well, number of keys added will be 1. Our final step is to test our private key, SSH, username, at host. And now you want to enter your passphrase that we created for our private key. And now we're in. If you would like to avoid having to enter your passphrase every time, please watch my in-depth tutorial on Keychain. Link in the description. Thank you.